Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a part 2 unboxing of an LV item that arrived several days ago. This arrived on Thursday morning, so it does say, I believe, April 21st, but I haven't had time to unbox it until now. Today's Sunday, so it's been 4 days, and I'm very excited to open this for you guys. It's part 2 because about 2 weeks ago I ordered 2 items from the LV website. The first item has arrived, and that was the on-prompt leather rosebud marshmallow bag, which unfortunately I decided to return. But this one I'm most likely to keep for sure because this item is very sought after. So I'm pretty sure you might be able to guess what it is. It's in the same collection as the on-prompt leather rosebud. Okay, so especially in my first part 1 video in Hong Kong, they use Ferrari delivery service to send LV products, so it's very convenient and very professional delivery service. So let's get unboxing. So as per usual, they send you everything, including the shopping bag. Nicely wrapped box in the LV box, and really quickly, just to show you everything that they deliver. This is the return slip. If you want to return anything, you simply need to just stick this back into the box, seal it, and the Ferrari delivery guys will come to your home and collect it if you want to exchange and refund. In Hong Kong, you only have a 7-day refund. I don't know about other countries, but very good service. Okay, so here we go. We have the product here, wrapped nicely. Let's see if I can untie this without removing the bow. Here we go. So as you can see, it's the shape. I probably have it on the subject already on what this is, but if not, as I mentioned, this is a very highly sought and coveted piece. So what do you think it is? Dun, 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 dun. Wow. It's the mini pochette in the on-prompt leather in the rosebud color. It's so cute. Okay, let's look this up close. I believe the measurements online is slightly bigger than their usual canvas mini pochettes, but I did see some YouTubers do some what fits inside, and in reality it actually fits less than a mini pochette. So it also has this little gold chain, and inside is completely microfiber for those who want to know the code. This is cowhide leather, man-made interior leathering. Okay. And yep, as expected, they removed the date code already. Okay, so for those who are unaware but are interested to know, as of March, many of the products from LV, they no longer put the date code inside. So in the past, LV has always had a date code, but they decided to counterfeit, really, to minimize counterfeit products. They decided to remove the date code and add a microchip in here where they use like RFID technology. So if you bring this to LV, they can quickly just scan it, and then it will provide all of the information of the product. And yeah, so don't be too surprised if you can no longer find a date code, because somewhere in this bag they already have the microchip implemented, and it's not visible. I don't think you can feel it either. My product here is made in France, so that's good to know. I think all of these were made in France, because I haven't seen anyone else in their videos say it's made elsewhere. So yeah, that's it really. Let me bring the canvas mini pochette to compare in size. You know what? I mean, it looks slightly bigger, but that's because it's this is leather and this is canvas, and so it's thicker material. But in terms of size, okay, so both of these products made in France. Yeah, I would say they're same size. I forgot how much I paid this one for. In Hong Kong dollars, it was 6,400 something, I believe. So that divided by 8. Yeah, I'm not too sure how much in USD. I will put the amount and measurement down below somewhere on the screen to indicate the price, because some of you have been asking me to also indicate the price or tell you guys the price when I do unboxings, and I always forget to do that. But I'll try having it on the screen this time. So yeah, so these are my mini pochettes. Let me grab a few things and show you what I can fit in this mini pochette, because I'm planning to start using it with my new Chanel 19 in the lilac pink 21S series. And I'll show you what fits in. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back, guys. I brought a few things where I just normally have put into my normal size bag. I do have a mini pochette, but now with this new one, I thought I could put all my, miscellaneous, or use it as a catch-all. So we can see what fits inside. This is a typical size card holder. So it does fit in, but once you've put it in there, there's minimal space. We can see what else can fit. Napkins. Lipsticks. See? It's actually quite small. And if I was to decide to fit these, probably wouldn't want to do that. So I could always remove these lipsticks out of the organizer inserts that I got from Zumoni, and then put them in and be a lot more spacious. Like that. It really doesn't fit much, guys. So I would say that it probably doesn't make sense for me to put the card holder, because if I'm using a bigger bag like the Chanel 19, I can just fit that inside. I should use this as more of smaller items. Maybe they're my headphones, a mirror. I would probably put this outside as well and not use it in my... And probably the last one, just pull that out to use minimal space. And everything seems to fit inside. So as you can see, I have AirPod tissue, hand sanitizers, lipsticks, lip balm, mirror, and see how all this fits. There you go. Fits nice and snug. And we can easily see how a mini pochette would fit into a Chanel 19. This is in the size small. So inside I have a purple organizer as well as a wallet I've been using, also from Chanel 19 logo, in kind of like the Tiffany blue color. I can put my mini pochette. Like that. My card holder. And if I want, my coin purse as well. So everything fits in snugly. And ta-da! Out. And if you're out and about and just need to go somewhere and don't want to bring the entire bag, the good thing about a mini pochette is you can take your essentials out, maybe put a few cards and some cash, and you can just quickly move on with this. Great. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of content, unboxing videos, as well as all things pretty, do like and subscribe to my channel. Make any comment below and turn on that notification so that you can see when I upload next. This is part 2 of my unboxing. Thanks everyone. See you next time. Bye.